Hello to the good honey beard. I'm H.T.Y man, and this is a good bees video coming to you. I'm preparing the bees here for moving tonight. Okay, closer view. What I did before, I took out the super. The super have some honey in it, but I will leave it. I will sort of like knock it out, knock out those bees, and when they settle down later on this evening, you see they're almost settled there already. See how quiet and nice they're looking. I put in this hardware cloth here in a frame and attach it to the top of the brood box. So all I need to do now is to cover it up. I will just put on the top cover on it, and you see those little screws that's sticking out there would act as a buffer to make some air be able to pass there. And the bees will be comfortably enough to be moved, so later on I will be able to block the entrance and take them away. Alright, so I see one bee coming at me here now, so let me just put back this barrier that I have here in place. Alright, so meet me up at the forest apiary. So I just knocked them off here. See a whole bunch of them on the ground there, so they'll start flying up and going back into the colony there now. They seem to be cooperating very nice. I'll give them another shake here. All right. Okay. That's the way the story goes. Yeah. Okay, so I brought the bees right up here at the forest apiary, and what I'm doing now, I made sure that I have already selected a new location away from human activity. I have to move this light a little bit because the bees coming at the light now. So away from human activity, which has access to food, a food source, a nice food source. You know, like water and pollen, and you know, I know I'd have all of that here in this area. So I just make sure of that. Right? Read the description and I'll tell you some more about that. So let me just take a look at the front here. See what's going on. So I have to do it fast. This is the one that I move and I bring here. This is the one I think that swarm, like the Vajon. And then there's this other one here. So everybody, look, they have nice beard and thing. So I'll have to take off the light now. And because I don't want the bees to come at me now. You know how it does go. Yeah, so laters.